Hey guys, welcome to the video. We're making this video by popular demand. You guys have been asking us in the comments what we've been packing for our year of travel. So we finished our first year. We're about to start our second year, and we figure we can show you guys what we packed, what we've learned from the first year into the second year. So first things first, the bags. This is a 65-liter bag, and that's a 60-liter bag. They're both Osprey. For our first year of travel, we actually cheaped out and got a bag like this. That was like $60, knockoff brand, and it immediately fell apart. The buckle started breaking, the zipper started ripping. It was a total waste of money. So this is like 300 Canadian, that's like 250 Canadian. I would really recommend not cheaping out on the bag.
Yeah, invest in your bag.
Invest in your bag. We have this bag for hiking, this amazing anti-gravity system here. The entire weight of the bag will be on your hips. It literally floats off the top of your shoulders. So whenever we do long hikes or overnight hikes or 10 hours hiking, we'll bring this bag. This bag is pretty handy as well. It's more of a suitcase. So the straps actually disappear in the back. You can zip them in and it turns into like a suitcase bag. As well as it has a small backpack on the front, which is removable, which is really handy when you're doing shorter trips, sort of day trips. You bring this little bag. So for this video, we won't be showing you what's in this bag because this is all of our electronics. We'll probably make an entire separate video just for electronics. As well as this little bag, nothing special in here. This is just for day trips as well. So water bottles, books, chargers, maps, whatever the small stuff we need. So the way we do it, we both have a big backpack on our backs and a small one on our fronts. Our last flight, this bag weighed 14 kilos and that bag weighed 9 kilos. One person would probably keep all of their stuff around 12 or 13 kilos. Ours is a little bit heavier because we have a YouTube channel, so we have tripods and laptops and lots of gear. So what we'll do for this video is we'll really dive into this bag and see how we organize our stuff, what we bring, what we don't bring, all the tips and tricks we've learned. So with the magic of movie editing, we can go like this. Here's the inside of our bags. Boom.
This is all of our stuff.
Wow.
Yeah. First thing first, packing cubes. Like this one and this one, they're really important for traveling. This is all of my clothes inside here, and that's all Steve's clothes.
Notice Ivana's is twice as big.
Yeah.
That's just how it goes.
I'm a girl. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I think I have like bathing suits, tank top, shorts, underwears all in here. It doesn't matter how many I carry, as long as they fit in this bag, I'm okay. So
this is all of our clothes. It's each of our closets, basically. We do have some smaller packing cubes. This one is for winter clothes. Unfortunately, our trip, we're going to some cold weather countries, which really screws up the packing. One thing we've learned is just layers of thin clothes. If you have a nice big winter jacket, really warm, it's probably really thick. It's probably got a huge hood with fur on the front or something. It's just way too big. So we have tiny jackets like this. We have thin sweaters, not thick sweaters. We have long sleeve t-shirts and no sleeve t-shirts. Up to 5 layers we could be wearing. Will still be warm and it packs a lot smaller. So this is winter clothes. This is some winter clothes again. And then this is our dirty laundry bag. We picked up that bag in Thailand as a free bag. So we use it for our dirty laundry. A couple more things about clothes. I would look for shorts or pants with zippers on the pockets. You're going to be losing your stuff. The last thing you want to do is lose money or lose your phone or lose your wallet or something. So zipper pockets. I have these shorts that are like cargo shorts and have like tons of pockets on them, especially for the YouTube channel, lenses and cameras and chargers and cables.
No jeans, because jeans, they're heavy. So I chose to bring leggings instead of jeans because they're lightweight.
Absolutely. I would also recommend, in terms of clothes and apparel, getting yourself a fanny pack like this. It's great for safety. If I ever feel like nervous or if it's dark, I take this thing, I take my shirt off, I put the fanny pack on the diagonal, and put my shirt back over top of it. Yeah. So it's completely, if some pickpocketer could get underneath my shirt and get this thing opened, he deserves the money. That would be like amazing. So I would recommend getting a fanny pack as well as pants with zippers. Yeah. In terms of clothes. We also like things that do double duty. So this is a scarf, but it's gigantic. Yeah. So we use it for a blanket on the plane. Yeah. We use it for laying on top of the bed sometimes if it's cold. It does double duty. Also for sandals. These are the sandals you need. I would really not recommend flip-flops. These do double duty. These are sandals. These are scooter shoes. If you're scooting around a little scooter and you have flip-flops on, You put your foot down and that flip-flop is gone and you will hurt your foot. I've done it. These are better for that. These are also far superior to water shoes. Water shoes are disgusting and they stay soaking wet. I don't know who designed them, but I've never had a pair of water shoes that are useful. These are the best for water. You strap them up tight, you walk through the water, you get out and your feet dry in half an hour. These are absolutely mandatory sandals. I know they look corny. Your friends are going to call you old man sandals, but they're traveler sandals. They're so useful. They'll last you an entire year. A pair of flip-flops will last you a month or two. You're going to go through 5 pairs in your year of travel.
Yeah.
Get yourself some old man sandals.
They're more durable, great for hiking. Mine is Tipo, great brand. So
absolutely recommend that. We also have some shoes, like hiking shoes, proper shoes. To be fair, most of the time, other than the cold weather countries and the long hikes, I'm wearing those sandals.
So we have our hiking shoes or walking shoes and a pair of sandals.
That's it.
Yeah.
Don't need flip-flops, don't need boots. It's shoes and those good sandals. Also, we bring a gang of Ziploc bags. We learned this from the packing cubes. You need Ziploc bags. Maybe your sandals are covered in sand and you want to wear your shoes. You got to stuff them in your bag. Put them in a Ziploc. Maybe you've got shampoo bottles that are kind of leaky. Put them in a Ziploc. Maybe you've got granola bars that are melting in the sun or something. You put them in a Ziploc. Ziploc bags are absolutely handy. Super useful. Would recommend.
Yes.
We've also got another packing cube for medication and stuff. Ivana's contacts, Gravol, Imodium, because I'm always sick. I can't eat spicy food, but I always eat it. This is a wet bag to keep things dry. It is a backpack as well.
If you have a trip to the waterfalls or to the beach, it's very handy.
Yeah, very handy. We also have a wet bag to keep wet stuff inside of.
Yeah.
So this is like a beach bag, your wet bathing suits,
and
your towels.
This is the kind of towels that we bring. It's the thin travel type. It's lightweight. It's great.
They're really great. They're almost like a chamois. They're really absorbent and really thin. Not like a big beach towel. It's going to be too big. So those are really handy. Obviously, you're going to need a water bottle. Refillable water bottle. Ours is beat to death. We'll probably due for a new one.
You save money at the airport. You don't need to buy water.
Good point.
I got my little purse for day trips. And also, this is important.
Absolutely necessary. You're not going to get anything done without this. This is a power converter. So it does every plug in the world. And
the power pocket Wi-Fi.
So with one of these guys, you simply turn it on and it emits Wi-Fi. 3 gigabytes of super high-speed Wi-Fi. We really love this for uploading videos. But if I did not have a YouTube channel, I still would look into getting one of these. The Wi-Fi is really unreliable in a lot of these places, especially if you're island hopping or doing small kind of undeveloped countries. The Wi-Fi is really crappy. So get one of these guys. Turn it on, gives you Wi-Fi. You can check the map or the bus schedule or whatever you're looking for. I would recommend some sort of travel Wi-Fi, pocket Wi-Fi.
Yeah, and I have a discount code for you on the description.
Oh, nice. Yes, use that. And that's pretty much it. What we've learned, some of the pro tips, just to summarize: a proper pair of sandals, packing cubes, Ziploc bags, fanny pack, pockets with zippers. That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
There it is. There you have it. So that's what we've learned. That's what we pack. Thanks for watching our video. You can please subscribe to our channel, and below us, you can see our most recent upload. You can see which of these objects we're using as an experienced traveler. On the left, you can see some of our other videos. Please subscribe. We will be traveling for all of 2020. Lots of adventures to come.
Love you.
Love you. Bye.